Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel, illuminating journey through the dynamic world of kitchen lighting trends in interior design. The evolution of kitchen lighting takes center stage, merging functionality with aesthetic appeal. Witness the rise of innovation fixtures that go beyond traditional roles, becoming statement pieces that enhance the overall ambiance from sleek pendant lights to recent light strips. The choices are diverse, reflecting a blend of contemporary elegance and technological advancement. These lighting trends not only illuminate the gallery space but also contribute to the visual storytelling of modern kitchens. Explore the recurrence of warm metallic finishes such as brass and copper, adding a touch of sophistication to lighting fixtures. System lighting systems are also gaining traction, allowing for customizable brightness and color temperature, enhancing the adaptability of the kitchen environment. Join the exploration of kitchen lighting trends, where each fixture becomes a design element, elevating from and function. Whether you prefer minimalist aesthetic or bold artistic design, or evolving landscape of kitchen lighting and interior design offers a spectrum of choice to illuminate your culinary heaven with style and innovation. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.